quick update about the Cybertruck pinch sensor on the frunk. Last night I posted that video. I had thought that was a pinch sensor, but once I got it in the daylight and I was able to take it apart, it's actually not a pinch sensor. So Kyle is correct from out of spec. I'm going to show you guys what I found out. So we got the frunk here. There's a couple pins, that little plastic pins that hold it in. All this is a rubber seal, and I had thought it was a pressure sensor, or a pinch sensor. It is not, and I'll show you guys once I get this all put back in. What I was experiencing is the resistance on the hood causes the motors to stop closing. So if a little kid came up here, was trying to play. I just want to show that I don't think you're going to lose your fingers, at least here. I'm not going to do it back here, but at least here with the front closing on them. It's not going to feel good, but I don't think you're going to lose your fingers because there is a sensor within the motors that causes it to go back up when it gets too much resistance. All right, so it does close all the way down on the fingers. It's latched. I'm gonna have to take my phone and turn it off so I can open this frunk now. That's the damage. No blood. It will close all the way down on fingers if you're holding it. As you saw with the glove, I kind of had my hand wrapped around. It gave it a little more clearance and it opened back up, but no blood, just some indentions. So don't be super scared of it. Yeah, it's gonna hurt. Yeah, you're probably gonna cut some fingers and it's not gonna feel good. Back here on this point, I'm not gonna that crazy. That thing's pointy. I wouldn't do it back here. That's gonna cause some damage. But to the extent of fully taking off a pinky, I don't know. Maybe. Not gonna try it. All right, so a few minutes after now, that's what you got. Nothing too bad, little marks. Still got all my fingers. And the frunk still closes. I don't think you would lose a finger. That's, don't go putting your hand in your frunk. Just because I did it doesn't mean you should do it. But, worst case scenario, maybe lose a finger. So there you have it, super scary Cybertruck frunk cutting my fingers off. I don't recommend you do this, but I do have kids. I was concerned about this myself as a parent. So I did the test so you don't have to do the test. And now you know, probably won't lose your fingers, but it's gonna hurt. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this. Give me a like and subscribe.